Here's how to sign up for the Audible standard plan. It's actually really easy. There's a landing page for this on Amazon. You can click the link in the description. It'll take you right to this page, and it's the Audible standard membership sign up. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that you get a free 30-day trial. You see it for both Premium Plus and Standard, depending on which one you want to try. But the standard membership gets you a book a month. That book credit doesn't roll over to the next month. So you've got to pick a book each month or you lose out on that choice. But then that builds your collection and you can listen to all these books that you've gotten each month. And it's only $8.99 per month after the 30-day free trial. So to sign up for that, you would just say try standard free on here. Make sure you're logged into the appropriate account with the correct email for your Audible account. And then basically you just enter in those payment details and then you hit try for free and you've got yourself your Audible standard membership. Now, if you cancel that membership, once your membership cancels, you won't be able to listen to that library of books that you got on standard, but you can listen to it as long as you're a member. That means you could be a member for Premium Plus or any of the other paid subscription or Audible plans, but you can't listen to it if you cancel. That's kind of a difference between Premium Plus, because if you cancel Premium Plus, all those books that you got with those credits, you actually still have in your library and they are not locked. You can listen to them. So that's another difference between Audible Standard and Premium Plus to consider. You can also try the 30-day free trial of Premium Plus from this landing page as well. But that's how you can sign up for the Audible Standard membership.